a tree with good potential as an anti-cancer agent against breast cancer. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Hawili, Ficus septica of the family Moraceae. Hawili is known as lagnog in Visayan languages. Hawili is a pioneering plant for forest regrowth. It is a small, relatively fast-growing evergreen tree from the fig family. Various parts of this plant have medicinal uses. Decoction of the roots is used as a diuretic. The fresh leaves are sudorific and are used for headaches, rheumatism, colds, cough, and fever. The roots, and latex are purgative. Hawili is found to have a good potential as an anti-cancer agent against breast cancer. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.